Okay, so in 2 weeks of growing, there is some crystals at the bottom. As you can tell, it's not very big, but there are solids at the bottom. And this is good because the whole point of this lab was to be able to produce solids. And to talk about that a little bit more, so before we put it in the diluted and made a solution and put it in this vial, then we produced a lot of the KLSO43, and so actually how much I made and produced within my group is 17.82 grams. And if you look at the total yield, with the theoretical is right there. So you got 35.123 grams was the theoretical yield. And to be able to get that, we started with the 1 gram of AL, and then through stoichiometry you convert that mole into grams of AL. Then you have the moles of, like, 1 mole of AL and 2 moles of ALOH. And then you convert that 1 mole of ALOH to the 1 mole of KALSO43. And within that, then you could use its molar mass and multiply it by 474.3696 grams. And so the percent yield after you take the 17.82 over the 35.16 is 50.7%. This isn't very good at all because we were expecting to get the full 35, and 50 is a not reliable number at all. But there are a few reasons that may be the reasoning behind why it is only 50.7 grams or percent of yield. And so the biggest reason that I could think of personally is the transfer of the moist solid that we produced step by step in the filtration process at the end before the recrystallization was not very efficient at all. I remember in the lab there was still like connected solids to the filter paper in the funnel, and so that could be a really big reason, because I mean that's just not efficient. You're losing a lot at a time, and there's 3 total filtrations, so that's a lot. So out of that 35, there might have been 10 that were just still in the filter paper. And the other reasons why it could be around is, I mean, the beakers may not have been thoroughly washed, and within them it could have contaminated the KLSO43, but it's not likely. We wash between every step, but it's never completely washed, and there's a lot of reusings because of the lot of steps. But it's still a great to see 17.82 grams come out of the 35, so at least we didn't get 0. And it's nice to see that crystals are becoming deformed, so over the next couple weeks they will be able to grow in magnitude compared to what we got in the lab setting. So yeah, thank you.